Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is free iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to add the loyalty card to Google Wallet on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our Google Wallet app. Now we have to click on the View Wallet, and right here we have to choose Add to Wallet. Obviously, loyalty card. And now here we have a list of popular nearby loyalty cards, but you can also just search what loyalty card you want to add. And I'm going to choose, for example, this one, Tesco Poland, and we can scan the QR code with our camera or just enter ID manually, like this. And when we do this, all we have to do is just click Add to Wallet, and that's how our loyalty card looks like. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!